a mini max algorithm in order to make trading decisions. Essentially, it gamifies the market, and what it does is takes its current data, it looks at market liquidity, it looks at support and resistances, it looks at a whole bunch of different things and makes a decision based on what it thinks will win. As a Bitcoin trader, your goal is to maximize your profits in the crypto market, and this little move up based on yesterday's calls has actually brought the Trade Confident account up nearly $25,000. But here's the issue. Despite even a brand new buy signal posting, we do expect moves out of the market. Whales on multiple time frames are selling out, and where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So how are you as a trader going to be able to catch the bottom, make your best possible entry before the bull market starts after the halving event in April? Well, let me show you how. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thanks so much for joining us today, and I want to let you know, yesterday we posted a brand new future forecast video. Hold on, Bitcoin to crash another $7,000 to $14,000, plus alts with the highest projected gains in the next bull run. Now, this is going to be a study showing exactly why we think Bitcoin could drop as drastically as we're saying here. And this spreadsheet is going to show you the projected gains through the rest of the bull market and onward for multiple altcoins. So if you want to maximize your profits, future forecast video is how to do that. And you can access that with the membership at the links in the description down below. Let's dive into some news. Remember how I said where well money goes, the price is likely to go too? Well, one of the biggest whales in the space, Grayscale, just sent another 19,200 Bitcoin worth $760 million to Coinbase. Now, with retailers, if you are trying to move money from your holding account into a trading account, it means you intend to sell. And Grayscale has been sending tons and tons of coins into Coinbase multiple times a day, and it's been happening over and over again throughout this week. And at least from where I'm sitting, I think this is partially responsible for the major drops we've seen in Bitcoin over the past few days. Now, if you've watched our videos recently, especially in Bitcoin, you know that we're expecting some pretty significant drops here. And in yesterday's video, I did talk about how we could be seeing a move up possibly to $40,000, where we're actively testing right now before a drop. And I want to edit this a little bit. I want to let you know there is a small possibility, let me grab a horizontal line here, that we move up to retest resistance here at about $43,500. That's because on the daily time frame, we still have price versus well money flow oversold, meaning that whales are likely to move money into the market, and we have trades in favor low with a 76% chance of a pump, and we have a buy signal. Most often, all three of these will combine to see some pretty major moves up. The last buy signal was still pretty high on the trades in favor, so it didn't play out as much, but we did see a little bit of a move up before the drop. Today's candle is seeing a retest of the $40,000 limit, and if we break through that, I think we could see $43,500, but again, I think we are going to drop significantly over the next couple of weeks. No matter what happens, we are looking bearish. And once again, this is my maximum. There's a very good chance that we just reject this resistance outright and move back down from here instead. But I do want everyone to be aware of that. Personally, I'm not looking to trade anything within this range. I'm waiting until we see a significant drop to the downside. And that's because if we head to the 1 week time frame, we are seeing completely opposite readings. Price versus well money flow is high, trades in favor is high with an 81% chance of a drop. We have a sell and strong sell signal. This is a much stronger signal than what we see on the 1 day time frame. Most often, you want to prioritize 1 week over 1 day. 1 day we'll see within the next few candles on the daily. 1 week will show you the next few candles on the weekly. So this is a difference between like 3 or 4 days versus 3 or 4 weeks outlook. 1 week, larger time frames have more influence on the market. And that's why, even if we see small moves up over the next couple of days, as crypto traders, we are expecting some pretty significant moves down. And it's not just the 1 week. I want you to check out the 1 month right here. Let me zoom in a little bit to get a better view. Price versus well money flow is still high. Trades in favor is high with an 83% chance of a drop. And honestly, I would not be shocked to see a sell signal on this month's candle. As soon as we move into February, a sell signal is very possible at this point. And if we look at our previous history on Bitcoin, almost every single strong sell or sell signal is resulting in at least a little bit of a move down before we see any moves back up. So we need to be careful of that. Sell signals, especially on the 1 month, are very dangerous for Bitcoin traders. So we are significantly overbought on the 1 month and 1 week time frames. Most often, this will result in whales selling out of the market as we've seen. In fact, this is actively playing out. This green line moving down indicates whales are selling. As whale money moves out of the market, we should see the price of Bitcoin drop. And as downward momentum begins to run out, we should actually see trades in favor push into the long trade zone. When we see both of these, especially if we're testing a support, most often this is where we're going to be looking to enter back into the market for the next move to the upside. We know whales are intending to sell. Grayscale has moved thousands and thousands and thousands of Bitcoin over the last couple of weeks into Coinbase, and most often this is going to indicate a sale. Now, I do want to talk to you really quick about this buy signal on the 1-day time frame once again before we go any further. I want everyone to keep in mind this buy signal very easily could play out as a long squeeze. Now, what is a long squeeze? Well, let's move back here into the history of the top and bottom finder. Now, this indicator, the TC top and bottom finder, is about 85% accurate. It makes some incredible calls that even our other indicators haven't been able to see. But there are times, as we can see right here, strong sell, strong sell, strong sell, that we do see significant moves up after the sell signal comes out. And I want to explain what this is and how it relates to today's buy signal. This indicator uses what's called a mini-max algorithm in order to make trading decisions. Essentially, it gamifies the market, and what it does is takes its current data, it looks at market liquidity, it looks at support and resistances, it looks at a whole bunch of different things and makes a decision based on what it thinks will win. So at points of really high liquidity, where there's going to be a ton of selling pressure, like major structure resistances right here, where many people are looking to sell out of the market, it's going to tell you it's honestly the safer bet to sell at this point. Whales do not listen to retailers. They take advantage of us regularly as traders. So what they're going to do is actually hunt down those liquidity lines, purposely buy into the market in order to liquidate anyone at this point looking to make short trades. And this, of course, is going to push the price up. This is what's called a short squeeze. It's literally squeezing the shorts out of the market. And as retail traders panic and try to recover their losses, they're going to enter long trades, which further moves the price up. Now, what I think is about to play out is the exact opposite of this. And it's already happened once right about here. We have major structure support at this point. We had a ton of long trade liquidity at this level. I'm talking around $40,000. And what ended up happening? Grayscale sent a whole bunch of Bitcoin to Coinbase with the intention to sell. As well, money moved out of the market, as we see by this green line decreasing. This, of course, hunted down that liquidity, liquidated the long traders, and as retail traders began to recuperate their losses, they entered short trades to make money on the way down. Long squeeze already happened, and personally, I think it's going to happen again at around the $40,000 level, or at most the $43,500 level. Based on historical data, this typically would be a great move to buy in a ranging market after a low towards $38,000. But whales do not play the same game as we do, and that's why we need to be careful, and that is why we are expecting much larger moves down in the market. From here, let's talk about our targets. Personally, I'm looking to see Bitcoin crash below $38,000 and move all the way down to $31,862. And from our current price, we are still expecting about a 20% move to the downside. This is the lowest I think we're going to go before whales begin buying back into the market. I think that'll have thoroughly scared retail traders out of the market, and only diamond hands will still be in. It'll be a beautiful place to buy in, and possibly the last chance to buy a significant bottom before the halving event and subsequent parabolic moves in Bitcoin. Now, if we head to the 1 week time frame, let me show you the signals I'm looking for in order to actually buy the dip. We are ignoring the 1 day time frame because from our previous data, we should be expecting those long squeezes. The 1 day time frame is just too volatile to trust and base important trading decisions on, so the 1 week is what we're looking for. Once again, we're looking for whale money to drop out of the market and drag the price down. As we approach structure support at $31,862, whale money should be low, and the downward momentum should be running out, bringing the trades in favor into the long trade zone. Once both price versus whale money flow and trades in favor are low, and especially if we get a buy signal at the structure support, all three of these should combine to find the exact bottom of Bitcoin. So you do not want to miss out on these signals. We are expecting this to play out over the next probably 3 weeks on into mid-February, maybe a little bit later. But this is what we're looking for as the market continues. So you have to watch out for whales. Whales are not our friends, but we need to be trading with them in order to win this game. Now, if you want to stay updated, the best way to do that is to snag these indicators. Hour by hour, day by day, week by week, these indicators have helped us us significantly in this bear market, helping us win 126 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades, especially employing our risk management strategy. Stay tuned because I could get you a $550 discount on your indicators. Follow along. All right, links are going to be in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more, and hear me out, but you're going to want to snag a membership first, and that is because members get significant discounts on our indicators. In fact, it's cheaper to purchase with the membership than it is without one. So $59 a month, and on top of that, you're going to get crazy money-making benefits. I'm talking future forecast trade subs. Once again, 126 wins, 0 losses, live Zoom coaching every month, metrics across all 20 coins on our website, and more. Click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and from there, once you have your membership, click the indicator link, the second one on this video description. Scroll down, the Pro Indicator Pack is what you're looking for. Once you have your membership, access the coupon code at this link for your first $150 off. Click the Pro Indicator Pack, scroll down, click I want this, throw in your membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in that future forecast video. Do not miss out.